Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to wrap text around picture here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To wrap text around a picture in Canva, you will need to manually adjust the layout, as Canva doesn't have an automatic text wrap feature. But of course, we are here to give you some tips and methods to quickly do it. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. Now, this method only works if you have a Canva Pro subscription. Why? Because we're going to use a background remover for a specific image here. Right? I'm gonna click on the background remover. Okay, now I'm going to add a text around this picture. I'm going to click on add a text here, maybe add a heading. For example, this is going to be the text. What I'm going to do is click the effect section that says curve, shape, and then curve. All right. Of course, I have all the option to wrap it around the text. Okay. Now, going to add another effect here, maybe like a small shadow. You see that? Creating an effect. I'm going to duplicate this text right here by pressing Control plus V, and then I'm going to rotate that at the very bottom, wrapping text inside the picture. You see that? So basically, we're going to make it a little bit smaller so that the text can fit, right? So this is one of the easiest way for you to create a wrapping text here in Canva. All right, so I'm going to choose a background right here, for example. Gonna be the background. Now, once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on the share button, wherein you have the option to download it as maybe a GIF or an MP4 video, maybe SVG. If you want to share this to your team member, your collaborator, you might want to choose the copy link, right? Or if you want to share this on social media channels, you can do so by clicking on the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. You can also save it to your Google Drive account if you have that, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.